Hello, myself Dr. Mani Bansal, and today we'll be learning about mandible fractures. So, what are the etiologies of the mandible fractures? Mandible fracture can be caused due to many reasons. First one is a trauma. Trauma can be due to any sports, fall from height, due to any violence, due to accidents or assaults, या थर्ड मोलर रिमूव करते वक्त फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है, या कोई पैथोलॉजी हो, कोई सिस्ट या ट्यूमर अंडरलाइन प्रेजेंट हो जिसकी वजह से वो फ्रैक्चर कॉज हो गया. Now, what are the locations? Most common locations for the mandible fractures are: first one is the body. 29% of the fractures occur in the body region of the mandible. Then is the condyle. This is the condyle, and 26% occur in the condyle. Then is the angle of the mandible. 25% of the fractures are common in the mandible fracture. Then is the symphysial region. Then is the ramus fractures, and then 1% are the coronoid process fractures. Understood? Next is a classification of the mandible fractures. There are various classification. First one being simple or closed fractures. In these fractures, there is no open wound present to the environment. Only there is a fracture of the bone. Next is the compound or open fracture. Compound or open fracture, there is an open wound. As the name suggests, there is the involvement of some skin or the mucosa. Then is the comminuted fractures. Comminuted fractures, let me show you. Comminuted fractures means the bone is crushed. The bone will be crushed into pieces like this. This is the comminuted fracture. Then is our green stick fracture. Comminuted fracture over. Then is a green stick fracture. The green stick fracture is the one in which one cortex of the bone is broken and the other is bent. One cortex is the outer part of the thick part of the bone. So this one is broken and the other one will be bent. Okay? Green stick fracture is also complete. Then is our pathological fracture. Pathological fracture, say similarly, due to any cyst or any tumor present, will cause a fracture of the bone. Then is our multiple fractures. Multiple fractures means the bone in which there are two or more lines of fracture on the same bone. ठीक है, लेकिन but they are not means they won't be communicating with each other. There will be gap, but 2 to 3 lines will be present on the same bone. Then is the impacted fracture, in which impacted fracture is the one in which the एक फ्रैगमेंट जो है वो दूसरे फ्रैगमेंट के अंदर एंटर कर जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक दिस, the bone will move towards the other part of the bone. Then is the atrophic fracture resulting from the atrophy of the bone, ठीक है, as in the edentulous mandible. Then is the second classification. Second classification includes on the basis of the anatomic region. As we studied the classification, we know the parts of the mandible, that is body, angle, symphysial, parasymphysial, alveolar process, coronoid process, condylar process, and ramus. Similarly, according to this, the classification is done on the name of the anatomic regions. Okay? Then is the Kanzanian and the converse classification. It is divided into 3 classes: class 1, class 2, and class 3. Class 1, in which the tooth are present on both sides of the fracture. Class 2 is which in the tooth are present only on one side of the fracture. And class 3 is which the patient is edentulous. ठीक है? Then is the fourth classification. Fourth classification of the mandible is depending on the direction of the fracture line. It can be vertically favorable and vertically unfavorable, horizontally favorable and horizontally unfavorable. ठीक है? When the muscles will try to join the fracture line and help in a healing process, that is known as favorable fractures. But when the muscles will help move the fracture line away from each other, then it is unfavorable fracture. And depending whether the fracture line is vertical or horizontal, it is divided into vertically or horizontally. ठीक है? So this is first one is the vertical favorable fracture. ठीक है? In this, the muscles are so placed that they will bring the fracture line closer to each other. ठीक है? And the muscles which are acting on it is the medial pterygoid, masseter, and mylohyoid. Another one fracture, this is unfavorable fracture. In this, the fracture line was so placed that the muscles will tear part the bone apart, moving the parts away from each other. That is unfavorable fracture. And as it is vertical fracture is there, it is named as vertically. Now the muscles which act on the horizontal fractures are masseter and medial pterygoid, the same muscles which were in vertical favorable one, except the involvement of mylohyoid, right? This is the horizontal fracture. See, in this, that is the favorable one. The muscles will pull, the muscles will help the bone, the fracture line to come closer to each other, the two parts of the bone. Whereas in unfavorable one, the fracture was in such way that it will move away from each other. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you. For if you want further the treatment plan, we'll go ahead with this.